Let us go a little bit over types of selectors. We have the normal HTML element selectors like you normally see. In this example, we have the paragraph, and it can apply certain rules to all paragraphs. This is the basic selector. Then we go ahead to the class selector. Now this targets a specific class. You can identify class selectors by the full stop that begins the name, and normally the names are custom names. So for example, my heading. We also have the IDs. Now you can identify an ID by the hash before the name. This can be used in HTML elements, for example, a button, and you can target those elements with the ID. You also have attribute selectors. Now, what this does is that it targets elements based on the presence of certain attributes. So this targets a paragraph that has the title attribute present. We can go ahead and target a paragraph with a title attribute that has a specific value. So this targets a paragraph with the title intro. So the past example we had was just targeting paragraphs with title element present. Then we have pseudo-classes. Now this targets when your element is in a particular state. For example, when you hover over an element, you can use this to target it. Now you have pseudo-elements. Now this selects certain part of an element rather the whole element itself. For example, you can target the first letter of a paragraph by using the pseudo-element. This can be used in all those kind of, when you see novels where you have the first element that is very bold, you can use this to apply a special effect to the first letter. Then you have the combinators that you can use to combine selectors to target an element. This particular combinator says that targets each span that is a direct child of the body. We would learn more about this later on, but this is just a quick overview on different types of selectors.